This story is your story. This story is our story. This is a story about a planet in upheaval. This is a story about you. This is a story of a girl whose school was destroyed by hurricanes in Puerto Rico. She and her family lived for months with no electricity. Her story is about you. This is the story of a homeowner in California who watched on television as flames engulfed his home. He lost generations of family heirlooms. His story is about you. The effects of a changing climate are everywhere. Fires in California, flooded homes in the southeast, melting polar ice caps, essential crop loss across the globe. This story is about you. Deforestation is the second largest source of greenhouse gas emissions, and nearly half of our forests are at risk. This story is about replenishing forests. Not only are they a key source of food, medicine, and jobs for over 1 billion people, but forests are also the biggest and most promising natural solution to climate change. This is your story. This is all our story. HP Papers is rewriting this story. When wood is sustainably sourced and paper is properly used and recycled, paper can contribute to increased carbon storage, expanded habitat, and a more sustainable future. 100% of HP Papers are certified by FSC, which has a reputation as the most rigorous and credible forest certification organization. And that is just the beginning. HP Papers goes beyond certification to protect, restore, and improve the management of forests. In this story, you are part of an unprecedented collaboration. Because we can't do this alone. We need you. You can live this new story. This story is about a commemorative ream and a portfolio of paper products designed to revitalize forests, protect fresh air and water, and defend wildlife. This commemorative ream has a story worth telling, and we hope you will be part of the story. This ream, like all HP Papers, is a part of the most sustainable printing system on the planet. Together, we are redefining what paper can be and what paper can do. It's not about using less paper. It's about being responsible and using the right paper. How can you be part of the story? Keep printing, recycle paper after use, and support forest restoration by purchasing HP Papers. What story will the world tell? What story will you tell?